Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Vogelfang. We are in Go Math Chapter 8, Lesson Number 1. You should be copying everything that I do into your notebook so that you have a model in front of you when you go to complete the assignment on your own. Okay, so this first question says, Roger has 2 yards of string. He cuts each piece of string into 1/3 pieces. How many pieces of string does Roger have? So what do we know? We know that Roger has 2 yards of string. So that's the total amount that he has. So we know the total. He cuts each piece into 1/3 pieces. So he's cutting each piece. So I'm thinking that when you start with the total and you're cutting each into pieces and then you have to find out how many pieces you have, that's definitely going to be division. So let's write the equation. 2, and always write the amount you have or the total first. 2 divided by 1/3 equals. So today we're going to solve this using models. So you're going to draw 2 whole fraction strips. 1, 2. And each fraction strip should be cut into thirds. When you cut each fraction strip into thirds, each third is 1 piece. So this is 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Each of these thirds is 1 piece. It's asking how many pieces of string does he have. So he has 1, 'Roger has 6 pieces of string. So again, first we wrote the total amount he has, and we drew 2 whole fraction strips. Then we divided it by the amount he's cutting each piece of string into, which was 1/3, and then we counted each piece, and that's how many pieces that he has. Okay, let's try another one. Make sure you're copying in your notebook. Let's try 3 divided by 1/4. So first, we're going to draw 3 whole fraction strips. 1, 2, 3. We're cutting each fraction strip into fourths. So this first fraction strip is cut into fourths. This second fraction strip is cut into fourths, and this third fraction strip is cut into fourths. Then we're going to count how many fourths there are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Eight. 12. So there's 12 pieces. So if you take 3 wholes and you divide the wholes into 1/4 pieces, you'll have 12 pieces. Okay, so after you copy this down so that you have a model in your notebook to help you solve the problems today, please go to Unified Classroom to find out your assignment for the day. Thank you.